In this video, I'm going to compare two nail stamping kits. One from Maniology that I got off of Instagram ad, and another one, Pueen, from Walmart. Let's see how they compare to each other. Hello everyone, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Masha, and so far I've been doing mostly nail tutorials. I broke down my last video into a few shorts, and one of them took off and brought me new subscribers. And to all of you, I want to say thank you for joining. It definitely encourages me to make more, and I also want to thank everyone who has been with me already as well. Thank you all so much. If you like my videos, and if you haven't subscribed to me and haven't clicked that bell notification button, please do so. I know you want to. So in this video, I'm going to compare two nail stamping kits. One I found on Instagram, the brand is Maniology, and another one from Walmart. The brand is Pueen, or however you say it, I don't know for sure. So let's go and see how they compare. Maniology showed up among my Instagram ads with a promise of a free starter kit, and I only had to pay a $12 shipping price. Naturally, I jumped on it. I was able to choose types of plates I wanted, but not the color of the polish. So I've got the Wild Heart set, and I only played around with it a bit. This set did come with instructions, but I seem to misplace them. I also store in that box some other stamping plates that I've got from AliExpress. This set comes with scraper, two colors, Restless Dahlia, and Teardrop. Stempler is a rectangular shape and rather large, which is very nice since it covers the whole nail and it is soft. Pueen, it's like a baby trying to say queen, I guess. Pueen, Pueen, Pueen. Anyway, this set I found at Walmart. I was surprised to see a product like this at Walmart, but after not a very deep YouTube dive, I've realized it's been available at Walmart for some time. But I guess they don't keep a lot in stock because I've never seen it there before. Stamper is a round shape and smaller, but it still covers the whole nail, and this one is more firm. This set comes with two colors, well, rather shades, Blackjack and Pure White. I like this polish choice better already. The scraper feels less flexible, but I'm not sure if that matters yet. I'm going to start testing Maniology Kit first. And a little disclaimer, I haven't done much stamping at all. I just messed around with this kit a bit in the past and nothing more. So we'll be learning together. And after this first attempt, I've realized that when a stamper is placed on the nail, I gotta just place it straight down and not roll stamper side to side. It messes the pattern up. So far, this color doesn't seem to do much. It's not very pigmented. Let's try it on a darker blue next. Well, the same thing, not bright enough. Okay, let's give it another chance. Maybe it does best on the teardrop color from the set. Okay, I give up on this one. Now let's see how the other one does. I'm going to try this shell pattern. It is very detailed. Let's see how it transfers. Ooh, I like it. Those plates are very well done. Now let's see it on a more pigmented pink background. I caught another pattern on a stamper, but I didn't remove it since I'm just testing it out. And it actually works fine. Let's try the teardrop on the Restless Dahlia. You see about rocking the stamper? It messes things up. Okay, to summarize about the set, I love the quality of the plates and I like the stamper. Those nail polishes it came with, I'm not a big fan. It's not about consistency, it's about the colors. Moving on to Pueen. I really like this stamping plate. I love the variety of stamps. I feel like I'd use more stamps from this one plate compared to the other two, but it's a personal taste kind of thing. The strawberries look sweet, the white polish is highly pigmented, and stamps on quite nice. At this point of the process, I already figured out the best way to apply the polish. It needs to be applied to only about a half of the stamp, scraped out to the edge of the plate, and the excess of the polish on the scraper wiped off the paper towel immediately. Workflow gotta be fast because nail polish dries fast. The best way to clean the stamper is simply with a piece of tape. Have it ready for you to use ahead of time. I like this scraper better as well. The crown shape at the top makes it easier to hold. I really like both white and black polishes, and they could be used with any color. Only in editing I have realized that I swatched just one in black. I guess I really didn't need any more convincing in its excellency. In summary, Pueen Stamping Kit has a high quality plate with fun stamps. Stamping polish is great, and I like the scraper as well. Stamper is very good too, but switching from a bigger and rectangular stamper did not do any favors for the round one. But if I had nothing to compare it to, I'd be very happy with it. I also wanted to try good stamping polish in these cheap nail stamping plates. That looks okay. I can work with that. Honestly, I expected worse. Alright, now let's have some fun. I believe that stamping won't always give you the end result in your nail designs, but it is more of a tool to get that nail design to a different level. Don't just stop at using a stamp. Try to imagine how you can make it better with what you have, and let the creativity flow. I hope this video was helpful in making a decision which nail stamping kit you want, if any. And if it was helpful, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!